kay Engineer Rosales. Okay guys, balik muna tayo sa engineering video. So ito, meron tayong ginawang swimming pool dito. So yung ating setup, pasensya ng makalat, di ba kami napaglinis. So papakita ko yung mga parts sa inyo at saka yung mga common problem. So minsan kasi, di ba, mahihirapang mag-prime or umakyat yung tubig. Halimbawa ito, nagpi-fill ako, hindi masyadong kita, no? Walang tubig sa loob, nakabukas to, nakapatay yung motor. Ngayon, papaandarin natin to. Andarin natin. So, sa nakikita natin, nahihirapan siya makit ng tubig kahit na naka-fully open to. Ngayon, ito kasi drain, vacuum, tsaka skimmer. Sarado natin to. Kumukuha siya ng hangin, kaya hindi siya makapag-prime. So dapat sarado kung tatlo na to. Dapat ang naka-open lang yung water supply. Sa nakikita nyo kaya kung nakakita dyan, di ba? Ulog-sog-usog. So pagka ganyan lang siya, matagal siyang gumaganyan, doon natin ginagamit to. Bleeder. Kaya doon nahirapan siyang makita. Ngayon, pag makikita ninyo dito, ayan. Ibig sabihin yan, may nakatrap na hangin. So, doon natin ginagamit to. So, i-bleed natin to. Palalabasan lang natin hangin nun. Ayan. Okay. So yun, so upusin mo yung hangin yan. Ngayon, meron pang isang paraan. Pagka meron ng pondo yung tubig natin, kasi ito naponduhan na to eh. Siguro mga ano lang, sakto lang mga 300 mm yung taas. 300 mm. Ang ginagawa ko, ino-open ko yung drain. Ito yun. So para matulungan niya. No? Ayan na, mag-fill tayo ng tubig para matulungan niya. Mapabilis. Ito. Buksan natin. Kailangan niya na exit ulit ang hangin. Ayan. Lalabas siya ng hangin yan. Oh, yun. Nag-prime na siya. Okay. Lumabas na yung hangin. Ikot na yan. Sa tulong nito. Tignan natin. Ayan yung tubig. So, yun na siya. Ngayon, ang problema ko, may leak to. Ayusin ko pa yan. Okay. Yun lang. Next time operation naman yung gagawin natin. Okay. So, for today's video, we're gonna discuss the valve system for this swimming pool setup. Don't mind that filter because it's too small. It's the client preference. I cannot do about it. I cannot do anything about it. Okay, for today's video. So, as you can see, this is the valve system. And since I don't have the tagging yet for each and every valve, I'm just gonna point it up which one is one. Okay, don't mind the system. I know it's not proper, but I do not have the control for this one. Okay, for now, we have this 1.5 horsepower and 400 liters sand filter. Yeah, and this is the manual air relief valve, and of course the multi-point valve, pressure gauge. Okay, for this one, this is the supply for the water from the city water line, and this is for the drainage and vacuum system. This is for the drain, and this is for the vacuum, and this is for the skimmer system. Skimmer. Okay, what are these for? Okay, for this one, this is for the bubbler of the unit of the pool, the supply water for that, and this is for the air bubbler itself. Okay, then this is for the water supply for the pool. Okay, and that leaves it open, and this is for the waterfalls. Yeah, it's very hard. Yeah, something like that should open. Yeah, something just got flowed with that. Yeah, you can hear the water. Yeah, but for now, I'm just waiting for this to be cured. I removed the excess valve here because there's already a valve over there. Okay, so this is for the lighting system. Yeah, and this is for the control switch. I know it shouldn't be like that. It should be at least GFCI, but again, I do not have control for that. And this is also a 1.5 bubbler for the system. Okay, let's go see the pool itself. Okay. So this is the pool, that's the waterfalls, skimmer, the vacuum, the water supply, this is the drain, and the jets. By the end of this video, you will be able to see the running condition, maybe on the latter part. Okay.